Thank you for choosing Baby Delight. In just a few minutes, we'll guide you through assembling your Beside Me Dreamer bassinet. Before you begin, check that all parts are included and undamaged. Lay the sleeper frame face down on a flat surface and open both frame legs outward. Attach the feet to each leg, making sure the wheels face the floor until you hear them click into place. Next, slide the horizontal support bar into the adapters on both legs until it clicks. Next, place the front bedside support bar, making sure the plastic connectors are facing upward. Then attach the vertical support bar on the side with the straps until it clicks. Now, insert the rear support bar until it also locks in place. Make sure the black plastic tops are pointing up. Once the frame is built, place the rear cover over the back support bar, then do the same with the front cover. Secure them using the hook and loop straps. Now place the mattress inside the frame with the curved edge aligned to the frame. Press down until the plastic clips snap into the middle support frame. To adjust the bassinet height, press the adjustment dial button and rotate the dial. Turn counterclockwise to raise or clockwise to lower the bassinet. Make sure both sides are always set to the same height and listen for the click at your desired setting. For bedside sleeper mode, move the bassinet next to your bed. Always raise or lower the bassinet so that the top of the fold-down wall is level with the top of your mattress. Use the included anchors to secure the sleeper. Slide the anchor plates between your mattress and box spring, pulling downward until the straps are fully in place. Hook the anchors to the bed frame and tighten the straps so the sleeper fits snug against your mattress. To use the fold-down wall, unzip the side panel, release the top bar lock, and lower the wall smoothly. Always roll and secure the wall to the bedside of the bassinet. Never leave the fabric inside with your baby. For safe sleep, always place your baby in the Beside Me Dreamer bassinet without any loose blankets, stuffed animals, or other objects inside. Your Beside Me Dreamer bassinet is ready to use. Thank you for choosing Baby Delight.